Embroidery has long been a cherished art form, rich in tradition and requiring considerable skill and patience. Historically, it was an activity that involved intricate handiwork and could take many hours or even days to produce a single piece of decorated fabric. However, in the year 1980, a monumental advancement changed the landscape of embroidery forever with the advent of the first computerized embroidery machines aimed at the domestic market. Prior to the 1980s, the art of embroidery was largely unchanged, with techniques being passed down through generations. Embroiderers would spend countless hours meticulously crafting designs by hand, with each stitch contributing to the creation of elaborate patterns that could serve as family heirlooms or luxurious garments. This manual process was labor-intensive and required skillful precision, leaving little room for error and making the production of embroidered goods incredibly time-consuming. But the innovation of computerized embroidery machinery revolutionized the process, heralding a new era and an unprecedented turning point within the industry. This shift not only revolutionized how embroidery was executed, but also who could participate in the creation of such detailed work. The launch of these pioneering machines opened up possibilities for people to produce top-tier embroidery designs with unparalleled precision and at a much faster pace than had ever been available before. Suddenly, the barrier to entry for creating high-quality embroidery was significantly lowered, and what was once the province of the highly skilled artisans could now be undertaken by anyone with access to this groundbreaking technology. One of the key figures in the evolution towards computerized embroidery was Wilcom, a company that quickly became a household name in the industry. In the very same year as the technological leap forward, this company introduced the first computer graphics embroidery design system that could operate on a mini-computer. In doing so, Wilcom turned the page on embroidery history, opening up new vistas for creative expression. This revolutionary system allowed users to digitally conceptualize and design embroidery patterns, which was a giant leap from the pre-existent traditional approach where each stitch had to be meticulously planned and executed by hand. However, the advancements did not come to a halt with the development of digital design systems. Another company that significantly contributed to the development of computerized embroidery was Melco. Founded by two innovators named Randall Melton and Bill Childs, Melco spearheaded a creation that would continue to transform the industry's fabric, the first embroidery sample head compatible with the massive Shifley looms. These looms, often spanning several feet, were traditionally used in the production of lace patches and large embroidery patterns, which were integral to industries such as fashion and home decor. The designs created on these looms brought beauty and elegance to a variety of textiles, but the process was incredibly time-intensive and skilled labor-focused. Melco's novel sample head invention was nothing short of revolutionary. It allowed embroidery artists to bypass the arduous task of manually sewing each design sample. Instead, this sample head was equipped with a computer-controlled needle capable of executing the desired embroidery design with high precision and at a rate previously unattainable. By automating the sample creation process, this innovation did not only lead to incredible time savings, it also guaranteed consistency across production lines, which was a significant challenge in manual embroidery. The ripples of Melco's groundbreaking sample head invention did not stop there. It paved the way for the development of the first-ever computerized embroidery machine marketed for personal home use. This revolutionary machine transformed the industry, enabling individuals to create sophisticated embroidery designs in the comfort of their own homes, completely eliminating the necessity for manual stitching. The ease and efficiency brought about by this innovation empowered a growing number of enthusiasts to embark on embroidery as a hobby or even a full-fledged profession. It opened doors for entrepreneurs to start small-scale embroidery businesses, thereby expanding the market reach and accessibility of embroidered products. To grasp the full impact of these technological advancements, one must understand how profoundly they altered the embroidery sector. The introduction of computerized embroidery machines in 1980 marked a radical change in embroidery's storied history. Wilcom's revolutionary graphics design system transformed the initial stages of embroidery and design ideation. At the same time, Melco's pioneering effort with the sample head further streamlined the process, allowing for enhanced productivity and product uniformity. These game-changing inventions have propelled the embroidery industry into a new age, making it possible for a growing community of people to produce exquisite, precise embroidery patterns with efficiency and speed. Wilcom and Melco's contributions were instrumental to this development. Wilcom's first foray into computer graphics for embroidery design and Melco's genius in creating the revolutionary embroidery sample head truly set the stage for the democratization of embroidery. The sample head, in particular, was an extraordinary leap forward, driving the introduction of the first computerized embroidery machine for home use and opening up the craft to wider audiences. Since then, the world of computerized embroidery machines has continued to flourish. Today, these machines are an integral part of the embroidery industry, catering to both small and large-scale operations. They have dramatically improved the quality and efficiency of embroidery work, transforming it from a laborious handcraft to a precise and swift production process. With these innovations, we have witnessed a renaissance in textile decoration, allowing for innovative designs that can be replicated quickly and sold in markets worldwide. In summary, the arrival of computerized embroidery machines 4 decades ago has created an indelible mark on the embroidery industry. The pioneering efforts of companies like Wilcom and Melco paved the way for technological advancements that have since become commonplace. Their impact continues to be felt today, as people across the globe can produce dazzling embroidery designs with speed and precision, opening up an array of possibilities for creatives and professionals alike. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.